The Jabra Elite 3. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll look at the Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, app integration with EQ presets and a transparency mode, button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IP55 water resistant. The case is compact with a matte finish all around. On the front, you have the branding along with the status LED indicator. The back has a USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are held into place by magnets. They're easy to grip and remove from the case. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a small form factor with an ergonomic design. It has a matte finish just like the case. Ear markings are on the inside face, and the outside face has the branding along with the button control. Each of the earbuds have microphones, charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, LED, and button control. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired functions. This has app integration as mentioned. Once connected, you can toggle the transparency feature, select EQ presets, and update the firmware. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.1 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 33 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Jabra Elite 3 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They seated well in my ears and it creates a tight, snug fit with good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The button controls responded well and it requires only a small amount of pressure to activate. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable and have a simple design. Earbuds sit flush when seated in your ears and they don't protrude out as much. Button controls are easy to navigate. Battery is good, coming in at 7 hours and 28 with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and an ANC feature. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, It comes in very pronounced, and this definitely has a warm sound signature, as you will get deep, tight, punchy sounds. This will suit the bass lovers out there. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. The transparency feature came in loud and clear when activated, and the microphones picked up the surrounding sounds very well. One of the better ones that I have tested. Overall, I feel these produce good sounds, and definitely will be for those that like the bass. It does come in at a crowded price point, and would have liked to seen the additional features that I mentioned earlier. So that is my review of the Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.